Protecting the vulnerable groups, Mr. Speaker, as a caring government, we shall continue to protect the vulnerable members of our society. I have in this regard proposed an allocation of that 1.3 billion for social protection and affirmative actions in this budget. Mr. Speaker, out of this allocation, Kenya shillings 18.6 billion will cater for cash transfers to elderly persons, 7.9 billion for orphans and vulnerable children, Kenya shillings 1.2 billion for persons living with severe disabilities. Mr. Speaker, the proposed allocation includes 1.5 billion for the Kenya Hunger Safety Net Program, Kenya shillings 1.9 billion for the Kenya Social and Economic Inclusion Project. In addition, 815 million will go to Child Welfare Society of Kenya, 400 million to the Presidential Bursary for the orphans, Kenya shillings 600.1 million for National Council for Persons Living with Disabilities, and Kenya shillings 100 million for the National Albinism Support Program, and Kenya shillings 100 for National Autism Support Program. Let me turn to equity, poverty reduction, women and youth empowerment. Mr.